Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to compare the new Huawei GT2 Pro versus Amazfit BIPU. We unboxed both of them in our channel the last month, so let's go ahead and see what we got from these devices. So let's begin here immediately with the GT2 Pro. As you can see in the taskbar, we have Do Not Disturb screen on, Find My Phone, alarm, and the settings. We have down notifications. In the right, we have heart rate, stress, weather, music control, and the health. Monitoring, we have in the app list workout records, workout status, heart rate, blood oxygen, activity records, sleep, stress, breathing, call logs, contacts, music control, air pressure, compass, notification, weather, stopwatch, timer, alarm, flashlight, find phone, and the settings. So this is the app list of the GT2 Pro and his option. In the right we have the Amazfit BIPU. As you can see, we have the taskbar here with a couple of shortcuts. Down we have notifications like we have in the GT2 Pro, very similar. In the right we have activity goal, heart rate, blood oxygen, stress measuring, PAI, weather, music control, and back to the first page. In the app list we have activity goal, PAI, heart rate, sleeping, workout history, blood oxygen, stress, breathing, exercise, heart rate, alarm, settings, and more. So these are all the options that we will see and use today. So let's begin some tests here with the GT2 Pro. First, workout is the first option. As you can see, we have running courses, outdoor running, outdoor walking, indoor walking, outdoor cycling, indoor cycling, pool swimming, open water swimming, mountain hike, trail running, driving range, skiing, snowboarding, cross-country skiing, triathlon, elliptical rower, other and free spearing, and we can add more sport. As you can see, strength, spinning, stepper, high intensity, yoga, pilates, crossfit, and plenty of more options and sports that we can add here in the GT2 Pro watch. But just these that are in the main page are enough. Let's skip the GPS. As you can see, it begins with heart rate, pace, distance, and time. Outdoor running, the option. We have steps, seconds, and calories, total ascent, altitude, heart rate, and heart rate zone, as you can see at the top, trailing by, and average pace. We have training effect, and back at the first page in the right we will find the music control and the GPS routes as well. Press and hold the button to deactivate the workout session, and basically this is what we have in the running mode. We have heart rate next. As you can see, it starts immediately to measure itself. We have the highest and lowest as well as the heart rate statistic in the middle of the screen. We have the resting down below, and we have the heart rate zones here in the second page. Next we have the blood oxygen. For this option we have to keep still, keep the watch facing up, and if you move just slightly it probably will ruin your data, so keep still while you are doing this. You can see this is the result for the blood oxygen. After that we have the stress, which it will measure itself automatically throughout the day, and the all data, like usual, you can see in the app at the end of the day. You can see here we have the stress data for day, week, month, or year, and to activate your heart rate, the stress, you go right here and the stress page. After that we have the breathing exercise. As you can see, this explains itself automatically. We have inhale and exhale, so this option will help you reduce stress and lower your blood pressure and heart rate as well. These are the result, and this is how it will look like. After the breathing we have the call log and contacts. Probably you know that we can make phone calls and we can add people on contacts to make phone calls with them. and we can accept calls here as well, so we can speak in the GT2 Pro. We have here the air pressure and compass as well. This is how the compass will look. We saw this in the running mode as well. So after the GT2 Pro, we have the Amazfit BPU. At the app list, we have heart rate measurements first. Press measure. As you can see, we don't have statistic in the BPU. We have only the result. As you can see, it says remain still. Again, while you are doing these measurements, try to keep still, not move, and see the accurate result. You can see this is the result very fast. Not so, it doesn't take too long. We have here the workouts: outdoor running, treadmill, outdoor cycling, indoor cycling, walking, swimming, rower machine, elliptical, badminton, cricket, dance. Plus we can add more sports. As you can see, indoor sports, cycling sports, outdoor sports, swimming, winter, ball, dance sports, boxing sports, and other sports as well. Plenty of option here too. Just like in the GT2 Pro, we have outdoor running. As you can see, we have the time at the top, duration, distance, pace, and heart rate in the first page. Next, we have the stride frequency, calories, average pace. We have the heart rate diagram, highest, average, and the statistic as well. Pace diagram, average, fastest, and the statistic. In the right, we have the music control. In the left, you can add the session just by pressing it and holding it. So this is the workout mode. We have the blood oxygen here. Again, we have to keep still. As you can see, it says remain still. Keep the watch facing up. Place your arm horizontally on the table, and you get more accurate data like you can see right now. As I always say, these data will be saved in the app for us later to check out. You can see now we are measuring the stress. This option will take a little bit longer than the heart rate and blood oxygen, but again, you have to keep still, wear the watch tightly, and don't move while you are doing this measurement. Again, we have the breathing, which we had in the GT2 Pro. Very similar option in both of these devices, but they have their differences. The BPU is much cheaper, the GT2 is larger, and it has a couple of more options that we don't have here in the BPU. Also, we have to mention the cycle tracking for the ladies. BPU has it. We have to give it up to Amazfit for this option that they added in the latest watches, that we don't see this option for the ladies in other companies. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smart device.